push the button. Push right there. Push right there. Burp, burp, burp.
You showed him how to push the button, didn't you?
Yeah, push the button, buddy. Push. Yes, push the button.
Apparently that's all you have to say.
Burp, burp, burp. Push it. Oscar, you should push the button. Burp, burp.
Do it again, Abby, because that's awesome.
I just want to see if I push the button. Yeah, Oscar, can you push the button?
He loves faces. He's trying to push the button.
You want to push the button? Burp.
I know, she's awesome. Yeah. Oh, the best kids ever.